Solana priced at $328. Grayscale Sol shares soar. Sol's price has been on a massive roll, but Grayscale Solana Trust is something else. Solana's price is flying high again on crypto exchanges. However, regulated investors value Sol tokens at an astounding premium in Grayscale Solana Trust, GSOL. The average Sol price on crypto exchanges was just under $62 Saturday afternoon UK time, according to data from CoinGecko. That puts the smart contract blockchain platform up over 49% in the 7-day window. Furthermore, Solana is soaring over 180% on the 30-day scale after a stunning October rally in crypto prices across the board. Grayscale Solana Fund shares soar. But on Grayscale Sol Fund, the DeFi blockchain's tokens are doing even better. According to IE, the fund provides a cost-effective and convenient way to invest in Sol tokens, Sol, while avoiding the complication of directly holding Sol. Leaving no stone unturned, an ex-com crypto sleuth took a look at the cryptocurrency hedge fund's numbers Friday and did the math. Here's what Jay on X discovered. So, while retail traders, third-world denizens, and total digits are buying one Sol for $62 on crypto exchanges like Binance and KuCoin, smart money is buying 0.38 Sol for $125. When you do the math, that comes out to $328 for each Solana token. This reveals that institutional investors are happy to pay the Grayscale premium to get Solana from a regulated, custodial Solana ETF fund. TradFi demand for Sol running high. Jay concluded in the ensuing discussion, it gives us a gauge of demand from TradFi, and it's crystal clear TradFi wants to bid $Sol. Here's the kicker. Just a day after Jay on X posted their discovery, GSOL is trading at $202 per share, with the same 0.38 Sol per share. That's a going price of $531 for one Sol token in Grayscale Solana ETF in OTC markets on Saturday. There are currently 304,427 shares outstanding for a total assets under management of $6,344,128 in the Grayscale Sol Fund. Here's where people have been buying Solana the most over the past 3 weeks.